Hey everyone, this is Samiksha. I'm here once again for you with an amazing MCQ solving strategy. I hope you are studying with the positive vibes, and I've already told you that you do not need to focus on the negative things. You just need to focus on your work and the positive vibes and be positive for yourself and for your work. Okay? And don't think anything that whatever be the result, you just do your work. And I recommend you that please note down all the points which I am going to tell you, because I'll share the screen. So note down all the points, try to solve the MCQs according to the steps which I'm going to tell you. Okay, so let's start. So guys, the strategy to solve the MCQs with the speed and the accuracy. The first step is read the question very carefully in first attempt, because sometimes we just lose our focus during the examination and we read the question again and again, and because of this the lot of time is wasted in the single question. So if you just lose your attention during the exam, then pinch yourself. Now the second point is that mark the important points and the words in the question. The third point is that see what is given in the question, and what is asked in the question. So the given things in this question is that it is the Young's double slit experiment and the width ratio is 1:25. This is the given things. And what is asked? The ratio of intensity at the maxima and minima in the interference pattern, and this is also written in this form. Okay, so the fourth point is that eliminate illogical options. So what does it mean? That what type of options can we eliminate? Is first is the dimensionally incorrect option. Let me tell you with an example that if in the question length is asked, then you can just match with the option that all are which options are not with the dimensions of length. Okay, similarly you can just check with the other also. Next option is that wrong units are given. If the units are wrong, this is just similar like dimensionally incorrect. Okay, next third is values are too much large or too much less than your answer, your expected answer. Now fifth point is that recall the formula. Now you have understood that you have to read question carefully. Second is that see what is given in the question. Third is that what is asked in the question. And fifth is that eliminate the illogical options. And fifth is that recall the formula. You should know that what is the formula for intensity at maxima and intensity at minima. That the formula for intensity at maxima and the formula for intensity at minima with respect to width, because in the question width is given. Okay, slit width is given, so you have to find out the formula. Now next option is that put the values in the formula and do calculations very carefully, because the calculation mistakes are the silly mistakes. So do the calculations very carefully. And finally mark your most probable answer. Sometimes you do not need to find the exact answer, like if in the options like 0.004, 0.0038, then these two options are just similar. Okay, so then you can answer in the approximation. Now there are some special tips for you, that learn the values of root 2, root 3 and root 5 and root 7, because these values are so much used in the calculations. And second is that learn values of log, the values of log from 1 to 10, like log 1, log 2, log 3, log 4 and similarly log 10. And learn how to solve square root, and how to solve log of the higher values, because sometimes we have any larger value in the case of a square root or any log, then we should know that how to solve it. Okay, and the last is learn values of sine, cos and tan. in all the angles, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 degree. And we should also know the relations of that 90 minus theta, 180 minus theta, these type of relations we should also know. Okay, so you can solve the MCQ in the few seconds by using these steps. So try these steps in your MCQ solving, and tell me and and tell me how you found my strategy useful for your MCQ solving in the comment section. Please like the video, share it to your friends, and subscribe the channel.